This is how to build a digital marketing portfolio with zero clients. I'm Chris, and I've been in the digital marketing industry for 4+ years now, and I help beginners land 60K a year digital marketing jobs without any prior experience or education needed. And one of the main important things to have when you want to land a digital marketing job is having a portfolio. But a lot of beginners, a lot of people have trouble figuring out, well, if I don't have experience, how do I have a portfolio? How do I create a portfolio? What are the steps to do it? And this is exactly what I did and what I'd suggest you do if you want to go ahead and create a portfolio if you have no prior experience or if you have zero clients. And then let's say once you get clients, get more experience, you can add those onto your portfolio. This is a very good first step to do if you're a beginner. So why you need a portfolio even without clients? Your resume tells, but your portfolio shows. In digital marketing, it's really important that you're going to be able to show what you can do. And how can you show something that you have no prior experience with? It's to get experience. And you can either do that through doing work for somebody else or for yourself. See, if you're a beginner, a portfolio is the fastest way to prove your skills and get interviews, even if you never had a paid job in marketing. And what should be in a beginner portfolio? You only need 1 to 3 projects to get started. Each one should be, solving a real problem for a pretend or real business. Uses real platforms or tools like you would do in a digital marketing job. For example, like Google Ads, Canva, ChatGPT, Meta Ads, Google Analytics 4. Explain what you did and why. The strategy behind it, the execution, the results. And here are just 3 easy portfolio project ideas, and you're going to base this based off of the job that you're specifically applying for. So if you're going into paid ads, you could create a mock campaign, Google Ads campaign for local biz. You pick a niche, for example, use ChatGPT to help write ad copy, pick keywords, plan it out, and build a sample campaign in Google Ads. You don't have to publish it yet, but you definitely can. Even if you get bad results right off the bat, you can go ahead and just document that, put it in your portfolio, and then update it over time. But you just want to get into the habit and the process of documenting what you did, and then you'll improve over time. So if you don't have a portfolio or anything yet, don't worry about it. The first step is always the hardest, and once that's done, you can improve and iterate from there. So you screenshot the setup and write a 1 paragraph strategy breakdown. Second, landing page plus email funnel. If you're trying to get into conversion rate optimization, some digital marketing specialist role, email marketing. So you can either use card.co or Notion to mock up a simple lead gen page. Use MailerLite or ConvertKit to design 2 to 3 follow-up emails, and then make a short write-up, target audience, call to action, and offer. Third is social media ads and analytics. So creating 2 meta ads, 1 image plus 1 video. Use Canva or CapCut for the visuals, the graphics. And then you write copy using the AIDA framework: attention, interest, desire, and action. And then use the Meta Ads Manager or a free template to mock up results, CTR, CPM. And that's it for those 3 projects. You can either pick one of those depending on the job you're getting into. And where to host your portfolio, my favorite is Card. It's free. You can obviously pay for it. Very affordable. It's great for just 1 page, simple portfolio sites. Very modern, aesthetic. You can also use Notion as well. Publish a Notion site. Or you can just have everything in Google Drive. But I do recommend either using Card or Notion. You can just send a link. It's a nice website, but Google Drive works too. You can just share it if you want, the files. And you can also just make sure you have it linked to your resume and your LinkedIn, your portfolio, and how to talk about your projects in interviews. So you don't need to pretend you had a client just starting off, right? You can say, I created this campaign to practice building high converting Google ads. I wanted to focus on targeting, keyword selection, and ad copy. Here's what I built and what I learned. Describe what you did. and own the fact that you built it yourself, right? That's initiative. So if you're just starting off, that's a very good way to, you know, show initiative, show that you're a doer, that you're learning, and that you're going to take action. And that's a very good green flag that jobs and employers look for. And then once you get more experience through, helping other people, companies, clients, etc., then you can add on to your portfolio. It'll be even better. And the last final tip I'll add is that you don't need permission to build experience, right? Some people think that they have to get into school, or they have to be gifted some sort of opportunity, but no, you can make it. You can make your own opportunity, document that, use that, leverage that for the next step, and then the next step. So just think at it one step at a time, and then you'll get to your goal. So if you build 2 to 3 projects like this, you'll already be ahead of 90% of other beginners applying with absolutely no proof, no portfolio. Your portfolio equals your fast pass to interviews. Remember that. And that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys found that useful. Comment below and let me know what your thoughts are. And if you want a in-depth guide on how to land a 6K a year digital marketing job in 90 days, go ahead and check out my website, chrishuyn.com. And there's a free video guide there for you to look at. And that's the video. See you in the next one.